KATC Weather Lab. Here's Eric's forecast.
Hopefully you got outside today and took advantage of the fantastic weather with the sunshine and comfortable temperatures in the lower 60s, because we do have some changes on the way, and those will begin later tonight into early Sunday morning as some showers and storms will be moving through the region. Might get a break Sunday afternoon, but another round of showers and storms will be moving in as we go into Monday and Tuesday, and then even more rain could be on the way later in the upcoming week. So taking a look at our water vapor, we can kind of show why we're going to start to move into a more active pattern, and that's all because we have a couple upper level lows that are developing out to the west that'll be heading our way. Our first one is now making its way into the panhandle of Texas and up into Oklahoma. That's helping to bring this energy over into the eastern half of Texas where some showers are ongoing. That's eventually going to make its way into our region later tonight and into tomorrow morning. And then we're watching our second area of low pressure developing now just to the south of California. That'll be sending another wave of moisture towards us as we go into Monday and then continuing into Tuesday. And that's also going to continue to help draw some of this Gulf of Mexico moisture. So we're going to be looking down to the south and southwest the next couple of nights to be watching moisture moving up into our region. And here you can see the showers that are moving through eastern Texas right now, but they still have more of a northerly component. So they are moving off to the north and northeast, not really moving closer towards us. So it is going to be several more hours before we begin to see the rain. And it eventually will be this rain along a cold front farther to the south down around the Mexico area. That's when the moisture will start to head our way later this evening. But we have been seeing the clouds increase, especially those upper level clouds, as we've moved through the last several hours. We did have the sunshine earlier today, but now we can see those clouds moving in across a good portion of Acadiana. That's going to act as a little bit of a blanket, so temperatures are not going to cool off that much tonight. So we should be relatively mild for our Saturday evening, but then moving into Sunday, we're looking at the rain and maybe even a little bit of a spring-like condition. So this evening, maybe by 10 o'clock, we have a few stray showers around, but most of us are dealing with dry conditions just on the cloudy side. The rain really arrives as we go through the overnight hours, and by about 4 a.m., this is when the latest model is kind of projecting the rain to kind of move through central Acadiana, and you do see some of the reds and oranges mixed in, so there will be the chance for a few heavier showers, maybe even some thunderstorms mixed in with 1 or 2 on the stronger side with wind gusts up to around 30-40 miles per hour as this system moves through, making its way down to the southeastern portions of Acadiana by 7 a.m. and then beginning to push out of the region as we go later into the morning and more or less into the afternoon. You can see maybe even some clearing, so maybe the peaks of a few sunshine by Sunday afternoon as we go through the day. Another model kind of throwing this through. We can see dry through the evening hours, but by 3 o'clock, that's when maybe the showers and storms start to make their way into the western portion of Acadiana with the cold front. As that front moves through, I think by about 6 to 7 o'clock, that's when Lafayette will begin to see the rain and storms move through the region. Then that front continues to make its way off to the east. Things clearing out by lunchtime. Maybe get a break, but we still should have some upper level clouds with us throughout much of our Sunday, maybe a few peaks of sunshine, better chance of seeing the sun farther to the north. Well, we will keep a chance for a few stray showers by Sunday evening. Moving into Monday, though, that's when we begin to see this next wave of energy making its way through, bringing the chance for more scattered showers and storms, as we're going to have a little bit of a surface low beginning to make its way through. And you can see by 3 o'clock, looking at widespread scattered showers and storms making its way through Acadiana. So it is going to be a little bit of a wet pattern if we have these train of systems making its way through, continuing to see the rain as we move into Monday evening. Things begin to dry out Monday overnight into Tuesday morning. Tuesday morning looks to be on the dry side, but by Tuesday afternoon, more scattered showers and storms will be moving through. As for this evening and more or less into tomorrow morning, a marginal risk for severe weather across the southeastern portions of Acadiana, mainly back through St. Mary, Lower St. Martin, and Iberia Parish. We're looking up just a 5% chance for 1 or 2 storms, having some wind gusts up to around 60-70 miles per hour, maybe a brief spin-up tornado. The main concern with this will be some heavy downpours, as I'm expecting just about widespread 1 inch of rain for most locations, but we could see a few areas that get close to 1 to 2 inches where some of the heavier bands set up, and that could cause some minor street flooding, but I'm not looking at any widespread flooding concerns as this system moves through the overnight hours and through the afternoon tomorrow. So a mild evening, stray shower early, but I think better chance for scattered showers and storms after midnight. So we'll go 20% in the short term after midnight, though, bumping the rain chances up to 90%, a low of just 54 degrees. Morning showers and storms, a few peaks of sunshine later in the afternoon. It will feel rather spring-like tomorrow as a high near 71 during the afternoon into the early evening. More rain Monday into Tuesday, beginning to dry out Wednesday and Thursday, but staying mild. Temperatures in the 70s all the way through Thursday. Friday, another round of showers and storms pushes into the area with a cold front that could continue into Saturday as well, maybe even continuing into Sunday. Models still up in the air of what next weekend into Christmas is looking like, but we'll keep a low-end chance for some showers. The big story, though, it does look like cooler temperatures will be arriving by Christmas.
Christmas weather.
That it will feel.
Alrighty, thanks, Eric.